Have you seen the montage? Don't
pick a team.
Nice team. Let's see what you can do. Captain America, Hulk, Deadpool, Wolverine.
Stop eating expired Doritos from now on, or they might end up eating you instead. Most people think expired Doritos are still safe to eat and only taste a little stale, but that's not all.
Can these YouTubers really?
Secret is MVP Asia Wilson's go-to antiperspirant. It's earned Allure's Best of Beauty Award 3 years running.
I wonder if anyone's ever won it 4 times. No pressure. Secret. Fresher under pressure.
Look, Pomni. Maybe you can be friends with the Candy Princess.
Shut up, okay? I'm not 12. Dummy.
Oh.
Yeah, so we were robbed, and the bandits that robbed us use a syrup tanker. So we're gonna give you one so you can murder them. Yeah! Ah, my back! Hey, Carrot Top Sunscreen Eater, here's the keys to my kingdom, and don't spend it all in one place.
Oh, thank you, I guess.
Holy heck, yes! I call shotgun. I have a horn!
Oh.
Oh my God, they killed them.
You are now free to leave your room. You are now free to pick your rooms for the second time.
What's up, guys? Let's hope we make it out of here alive. I'm Thenos.
Nice to meet you, Thenos.
Blue.
No. The games are now over. Congratulations if you survived. Congratulations, players, you have survived, and now 11 out of 34 of you have died, which makes the money now at 11 million Melcoins.
Please let me go. I don't want to die, please.
We will now do a vote for whether you want to stay. If you want to stay, pick the O, and if you want to quit, pick the X. The option with the most votes will be the option we will go with. We will start voting now. Wow, this is really close. I guess the last player will be the deciding vote.
Tough choice. I think I'll just go with this one. Tough choice. I think I'll go with this one.
The games will now officially continue. Lights out is soon. Game 2 will be tomorrow.
Man, that last game was brutal, and it's only going to get worse from here. Yeah, I know. This whole thing is terrifying. You never know what games are gonna happen, nor who will die. It's terrifying. Yeah, like over a third of people died last game. It's a matter of time now before I could die. Say, what's your name? I'm Leo. Some guy came up to me asking me to play a game, which is how I ended up here. Same here. I was in 5 million Melcoins debt to some bad people. They killed everyone and everything I loved. Dang. Anyways, what's your name? I'm Bill. Cool. Bill, want to team up? Sure, why not? Could help us in the long run. Hey, you guys are forming alliances? Can I join you guys? I feel like an alliance would benefit me. My name's Phil. Sure, Phil. The more the merrier. Well guys, looks like it's lights out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys. Morning Leo.
Rise and shine. Hope you all slept well, as we will be playing our next game now. I welcome you all to my parkour course. To win this game, all you have to do is climb all the way to the green platform up there. Be careful, there may be some surprises waiting for you. Once all but two players have reached the end, the door will close, killing all of those who don't make it. Good luck, you can now begin. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you fall, you are eliminated.
Let's get this over with.